Hey you guys, welcome back. So now I am going to check out some of the Easter stuff in Walmart. I showed you in a previous video some of the other decor, and so now I'm coming back to show you some of the Easter stuff. These headbands are super cute. Those are 98¢. This Easter basket tool is only $1.88. And then they got some basket pom-poms right here for $6.98, and you get 2 pom-poms and some like string. These are some cute carrot bags for $1.98. And then they got some floral accessories up there, some Easter basket bows. They look burlap. Those are only $1.24, and then they have those like that for $1.88. Here's some stationery Easter notebooks like that. They always have some cute stationery. These are 98¢ for some little notebooks. Here's a paper pad with a pen. Oh, this one is super cute. 98¢, and then they have pen sets as well. I couldn't help but to notice some of the tin baskets. This one has the little bunny on it, and they have these colors right here for $4.98. But look at these cute little pails. This one has unicorns on it, $4.98. Football, so a sport theme. The little dump trucks. And then this one is the sharks. Here's some cute cups that are plastic. It says, "I only hunt wine." That is so funny. These are only $1.98. This one says, "Hoppy Easter." Basket case. And "Some bunnies thirsty." I love cups like this. Those are so funny. Here's some more cute little pails down here for 98¢. This little wood sign is $4.84. This one is more like a felt, and that one is $2.84. And you have those up there. $3.98, $1.98. This one is really cute. It's like foam. It's really sparkly, and that one is $4.98. And then you have this wreath that's made out of like eggs for $14.88. This is super cute. This welcome sign. Look at that. That one is only $6.84. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes for $4.84. I like that. Egg hunt, Jellybean Lane, Easter bunny, $4.98. This is starting to be popular where they're doing the little faux wood, and then they'll put the little fuzzy tails on the bunny rabbits. That one is $5.98. And you have this Happy Easter sign with the galvanized ears, metal ears, and that's $5.84. You got some super cute tags. "Some bunny loves you," "Hello Easter." And these are only $1.64. "Believe in the promise of this day." I like that. That one up there is $4.84, and these cute baskets right here are $5.88, and they come in different colors. Really cute. Down here you have these crosses for $2.84. Some fake lavender in the pot for $2.98. I showed these in my other video. These are 98¢, and they're like ceramic little egg holders with the little duck feet. And then they have the baskets. You also have these for $1.98. The little egg tree for $5.98. Down here, here's some signs. Easter, the only time it's okay to put all your eggs in one basket. That's cute. Follow the bunny. He has chocolate. And hop to it. And these are $2.84. Here's a decorative pillow, and it has ears and a tail. And this is $7.98 for that. Oh, these are super cute. They look like the bigger version of the ones that are at the Dollar Tree right now, but they're only 3 in a pack for $1. These are $2.98, but these are way bigger. Those are so cute. And then look at him. He is a tabletop decor. Look at him. Look at his ears. That is so cute, and he is $7.84. Okay, I really like this sign. I'm almost tempted to get this. This is $6.98, and I see blue, and I also see pink. I don't know if the front is the same. Oh no, so this one he's holding carrots with the the back of him sticking out, and then back there it has eggs in the truck, in the pink truck. But those are super cute. And did I say $6.98? And you got this giant egg, metal egg, that is $14.98. And then you got all these other signs. And the ones at the top is $9.98 and $10.98 for that one. Okay, I like that egg hunt. And that's $8.98. Is that wood? Yeah, that's wood. And then they also have one that says welcome. And the welcome sign has a bunny face on it. Those are cute. Those are $12.98. Oh, these are metal as well for $6.98. And the blue one says Bunny Trail. Oh, at the end cap, here's some more stationery. Oh, this one is so cute. And all of this is 98 cents. Oh, I like that one. Look at that. I saw that one already. And then they just have matching like little list pads. Some bunny's notes. That's cute. Scented erasers. That's cute. $1.98. Scented markers. Stickers. They even have scented puffy putty. Got this one up here. This one. These eggs are super cute. They are puffy. Oh, those are cute. Look at that. And these are 98 cents. Okay, I like those. And you got those. And it looks like that's it. Ooh, I didn't want to drop that. You got some animals. Oh, these are cute. And they're kind of puffy. They still have a rubber band on them, so let me see. So that's all I see in there. It's just duplicates of those and these. Here's another pack. And over here, I saw these and I'm not sure what they really are. Let me see. Includes DVD, 3 interactive games, and I don't know, I guess it's like a short film or something, but they are $5 and it says movies for your Easter basket. So they have Ice Age, they have Rio, Dr. Seuss, Robots, and these are things for you to put in the kids basket. And I saw those up there and I thought that was kind of cool because everything says $5. They even have Marmaduke and Garfield down here, the dog who saved Easter, and Care Bears. That is so cool. Oh, they even have Bubble Guppies, Ruby and Max, and Dora. Over here they got some cute pillows. Oh my goodness, these are $9.98 and that one has a bunny on it. This one has a cute little dinosaur, and I think I see like a sheep. Look at her. That is so cute. For what I say, $9.98. Color changing star pillows for $9.98. They even have a moon. I've never seen anything like that. It says glows for 5 minutes. Oh look, there's even a cloud. That's so cute. Right here they have some two-tone baskets. These are $6.98. I see the white, I see that teal, and I'm on my tippy toes, but I think I see blue back there and pink. And then right next to that they have these with the little bows on them for $6.98. Different colors. Okay, now that is a cute basket. Oh my goodness, that just caught my eye. Kind of small, but it's super cute. They even have one that looks like a mermaid tail for $7.98. Look at that. That's definitely different. Oh my goodness. Look at him. That is adorable. That is $8.98. They even have a fox for $8.98. I've never seen baskets like this before. This is $8.98 as well. Here is some bunny hats. These are $10.98. It says press on and off. Let's see. Okay, I don't, oh, okay, he doing the most. Look how they flutter. That is so cute. Okay, I don't know if he just won't turn off, but I see blue and I see pink, and those are $10.98. And then they have these little egg fedora hats too, that's kind of sparkly, and those are $5.98. And then you have that pattern back there. Them ears is still going, y'all. Look at that. Oh my goodness, these super cute novelty glasses. These are adorable. Those are $3.98. Here's a mini hat for $5.98, and then here's a bunny kit. Okay, this is a Easter scarf for $5.98, and it has little bunnies all over it. It looks like the Peeps candy. And that is $5.98. And then right next to that is a bunch of like baby stuff. My first Easter. All of this. Look at that. $3.88. A baby blankie. Here's a rattle for $3.88. And then you got these cute little things down here. You got the little unicorn and then the little elephant. Jesus loves me. You are so loved. And then they got a bunch of little dolls. This is a Piggy Bank for $6.98. And baby's first Easter. You are blessed. You are loved. This would make cute decor in a nursery. And then they have these rocking horses, but this one is an elephant, and then they have a little lamb. And those are only $35. Okay, so over here they have these. In my last video I kind of showed you guys a glimpse of all of this stuff, but I wanted to come back. So here's these for $2.88. This cute decor, tabletop decor, looks like that, and that is $4.84. Here's these cute jars, $2.96. They got jumbo eggs down here for $1.98. These signs, $3.84. I love that they have all the prices on everything. Here's these cute little buckets. Look at that. And these are only $2.84, and they have different ones. Then you got these cute bunnies right here. Those are really pretty. Really, really pretty. They also have white ones up here. I like this one the most because the way he's standing. Easter blessings. This one is $4.84. And you got these little bunnies that got the metal flowers for $6.84. Here's this hanging decor. Look at that. It has the eggs on it and everything. Looks like that. And that one is $15.88. This one is Bless Our Nest, and it's $3.44, and it is metal. And you have that one that says Happy Easter. Welcome to our home, $9.98. Here's some more tabletop decor, and this is $5.98 with the faux grass, and it has like the little robin's eggs in there and flowers and everything. Here is another jar of eggs for $2.88. Those are really pretty. Look at this. This is $9.98. That is so cute. This caught my eye the last time I was here, and I wanted to look at it, but I didn't. And I really like that welcome sign. I like how they put the faux, like the branch up the thing with the eggs on it. That is so cute. And that is $12.84. And then you have that wreath up there for $14.88. And that is it for all of the Easter stuff. Like I said, I did do a walkthrough of some other stuff, the spring like home decor, not so much Easter. I will have that at the end of this video in case you missed it. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, you guys. That is $5.84.